Hello friends, I'm Gul Rajput and you are watching my channel. Hello and Assalamu alaikum and Namaste. I hope you all are doing super or aapki dua se I am doing super fantastic. And today on the channel I'm sharing with you a fantastic recipe which is definitely first time on YouTube. So stay tuned on this video till the end to know what we are making today. So let's get started. What we are making today is something very interesting. You can see this very much in season now and very much important that you consume this. This is the raw mango, green kairi, kachi kairi. So we are going to make today a raw mango chitranna. It is also known as Mavinakayi Koli Chitranna, Mamidikaya Koli Pulihora Recipe, or it is also known as Mangai Koli Sadham. A very seasonal recipe that also in my style. Friends, this recipe was shot on 22nd of April and I had a very bad cold, so excuse me. And my sincere apology that I'm uploading video after a long time. You're going to love this recipe. This can be a breakfast special. This can be your lunch special. It can be a fantastic tiffin box recipe. So let's get started. And I'm going to grate this. All right. What else we need for the recipe is we are first going to fry the cashews. Some I'm going to keep aside for garnish. I'm going to add urad dal. Take how much you like. I've taken 1 teaspoon here because I love the taste of urad dal. You can also take chana dal if you like. Some mustard seeds, curry leaves, red chili. 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, half onion finely chopped, some green chilies. Add as per your spice tolerance. This is a 1 cup chicken shredded. So this was a chicken piece in the curry. I saved 3 pieces from the curry. Okay. I washed it and then I shredded this into small pieces. So first we are going to fry the cashews and we'll remove them. Then we'll fry the chicken and we'll also remove this. And we need 2 cup rice. So if you want to make this recipe, ensure that you boil extra rice in the night and then keep it in the fridge. 2 tablespoon oil I have added. I've taken 1/4 cup kaju. Keeping this aside. I want the chicken to become little crisp. I have made the kaju color little dark. Keep it little light. Mine has become little dark. Lot of mango chitranna recipes there on the channel, but mango chicken chitranna recipe is first time on YouTube. So do stay on the video till the end. If you have liked this idea of mine, okay, then don't forget to share the recipe with your friends and family, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe. And leave your precious comments in the comment box. Friends, I've uploaded videos pretty late because I had a lot of network issues in Bengaluru. When I came to Bombay, I faced the same thing. Hence, uploading now. Hope you will enjoy and continue giving your support. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, this is turning pink. I'm going to remove this now. We had added 2 tablespoon oil to fry the cashew and the chicken. I'm adding another 2 tablespoon oil. And this is an excellent pan. So to this I'm adding slow down the gas. We'll fry this till the urad dal changes its color. The mustards are half splattered and the urad dal is turning pink. So to this I'm going to add the garlic and the chili. We'll fry till the raw smell of garlic goes, but don't allow the urad dal to burn. Once you get the fragrance of urad dal, the garlic, add the onions. Okay, this is the proper color of urad dal we need. At this stage, I'm adding this onion. Just 2 minutes. We want the raw smell of onion also to go. Pinch of asafoetida. See how the chicken is. We'll not put the whole thing in the 2-cup rice. We'll just put half of this. Half cup grated mango is sufficient. We don't want the rice to become very sour. We want only the flavor of the green kairi in it. At this stage, I'm adding some of the cashews here. Some have kept for garnish. Adding the green mango. If you want to remove the skin, grate and add, you're most welcome to do that. Another tablespoon oil. Salt as per taste, little chili flakes, half teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. At this stage, you can add the chicken also in this, because since I don't eat, I'm going to make the chitranna. I'm going to remove some for myself and then I will add the chicken. And those of you don't eat chicken, don't add. Adding the rice. On my channel there is already a Chitranna recipe. There is a Kovakai, a Pondakai rice recipe on my channel. I will leave the links all in the description box. Don't forget to check out these rice recipes. They're one pot meal, excellent tiffin box recipe for your children, for your husband. At this stage, taste the rice and see if you think you want more grated kairi in it. You can definitely add. I have added 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. If you want to add more, you can. But I want it light because I want the cashews to be seen. I want the urad dal to be seen in this chitranna. You can garnish this also with little coconut at the time of serving. It's optional. If you want to, you can. I'll cover this with a lid. So before I cover it with the lid, I'm going to sprinkle some water. So say around 2 tablespoons water I've sprinkled. This will work like magic in the pan. Your rice will steam very well and it will give out a very good color, and it will also stay a little soft. Let's check, friends. Look at that. So your amazing, your mango chitranna is ready. Okay. I'll quickly taste this. Perfect. Please add salt as per your taste because we eat very less salt. If like me you eat less salt, then add how much salt I have added. So this must be around 2.5 cups rice, not 2 cups. Switching off the gas. So I'm removing little rice from this so that I can enjoy this. Okay. Okay, now to this remaining rice, I'm adding the chicken. So amazing mango chitranna is ready. Mango chicken chitranna. Let's plate it. This will serve 2 people in breakfast. So I hope, friends, you have really enjoyed today's amazing versatile dish. And if you have, don't forget to give your like, share and subscribe my channel. Take very good care of yourself. Be safe, keep smiling, good food, good mood. And until we meet next, don't forget to eat, love and pray. Bye.